Oh, that was good. Oh, thank you very much. It was really difficult. Yeah, I know it was. It was pretty impressive. You see, he can't really walk on the ground. He's kind of old and stiff. I'm going to try that one more time. It was so cool. This is going to be the tricky part. No, this is the hard part. Help! Ooh. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my goodness. I never knew he'd be able to do this. I'm very proud of him. Oh, thank you. He's still moving a bit. Well, he's going to have a little twirl now. Put him up here. Oh my goodness, this is in the way. Now we're going to do a little twirl. Now that he's done his... I can't do both. Well, I could try. What if I tried one more thing? This is all experimental, I'll have you know. The whole thing is experimental. There. He's getting tired, that's what it is. You see, he's kind of going. There. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah. That is so wild. Ooh. Well, he did a very nice job. I never thought I'd see him walk like that, because normally he can't go very far. He's hilarious. Always loved this guy. The problem with this, the mechanism works. Oh God, it's still going. Good for you. Shaking a bit. The problem with this whole thing is his head weighs about half a pound. His body's very light. The mechanism is probably not too heavy. But the head is a solid piece of plastic, so it's too heavy for the feet to really accommodate. I think he did really good. That was wonderful. Thank you. I tried my best.